YouTube. You know it's your boy Perk, baby. Snow falling hall, blue ice hall. Lord, what a good weekend, baby. What a good weekend. Y'all know it was 78 car show. Number 4? I think it's 4. Yeah, I don't want all of them, man. If you didn't went to this man car show, man, y'all missed it, man. I think this the best one he had, man. 78 car show. 78 bring the world out. He had people come from St. Louis, Iowa, Tennessee, Mississippi, Lisbon, everywhere, man. Good show. Good, clean show. You ain't got to worry about nothing, man. I took Blue Ice. Got a lot of love. But I want to give a shout out to all my subscribers. For everybody that came up to me, Perk, we love your channel, love your car, keep doing what you're doing. I want to say thank y'all. I sure appreciate it. Love all y'all. And like Perk, we like you shoot videos every day, man. You got a good, clean YouTube page. I want to thank y'all, man. I met a lot of guys, took a lot of pictures. Got a lot of sunroof jobs. God damn, that's what I gotta do. I gotta get it through his the park list on my cousin. He's trying to do LS swap. I got you, dog. Forgot all about you. Oh, I ain't forgot, man. I was trying to edit these videos. So I'm gonna drop a video today on my way to work. But I want to thank all my subscribers. I ran into one of my #1 fans, that chump. That man just like me. That man got more engine than I got. Him and his wife. So I'm gonna drop this video today, man. I'm gonna put this on the front of it. But yeah, man. Shout out to all my subscribers that came show me love, man. I love all y'all, baby. Let's go, baby. Over and out, man. Took last year. Took last year. This year, bring Blue Ice back out. No front seats, back seats, none of that. Snag that stuff off. On the stove. Give it a good wash. And I'm done. There's something. I smell something, boy. Getting a manifold. Well, I think it was you. Oh, nigga, what, baby? Yeah, I smell something. Name, show, right? Name. Blue Ice, baby. Look at that, boy. Oh, look at my club. Shit. Goddamn. What? First, I only got 6 straps. Bullshit. I only got 6.
Hell, I had to cut my other two because I had picked up my
What's up, boy?
Happy
charger.
belated birthday, man.
You too, man. Look at my kids, old baby. Crazy in Chicago.
What it do? What it do?
Shot-town.
Shout town now.
Man, yeah, I need to get my spare. And,
Where it?
It's in the house. I probably, yeah, all right, but hell, I need to get some damn air from
What year this is, man? 77?
Mr. Strap Man here, boy. We got
Hey.
1, 2, 3,
know how I do.
4,
6, baby.
6. Well, like
Know how I do.
he stepping down a goddamn airplane.
You know how I do.
Yeah, nigga been
Once you
stepping
go through Memphis, that bumpy ass road.
Hey.
Yes, I look like Kimbo. Huh? Yes, I look like.
Dirty as hell. 350.
You say y'all gonna get what? It don't matter. Whatever you want to do, goddamn. Well, everything got everything running.
Gloves.
All right. Yeah, we fight love. Better ride in love, baby. Put me at a tie. I got my trailer. I got to clean my trailer, man. All right, man. Yeah, look, you watch the road. You don't watch the car. You said you do like that. But talk, I want to get this. You watch the road. You don't watch the goddamn car. Go ahead, BD, watch the goddamn road. Yeah, you don't watch the goddamn road. And he ain't watch the goddamn road. Yes, sir, baby. Coming through. Woo! We coming through, baby. I go. Hey, I'm probably there, didn't it? I get behind it there, Caleb.
Yep. It's on down.
Yes, sir. You too. We done made it, my boy Big D, man. Look, he would not bring it out, baby. Got a trailer and a truck. Tell me he ain't ready, y'all. He ain't ready. But look at mine. Look how I'm coming. Look how I'm coming. I don't give a rat's ass about this shit. The truck. Yeah. You let D-Ride with you inside. I ain't got one seat in my car. I took off mine. The whole plate, I took all them over there. Come on back, player. Come on back. Come on, I got you. Man, I don't even know. It gotta be when you first. They say when you first come in. Tore up and shit. Woo! Boy, this I've been wanting to see for so long. Yeah. Boy, I gotta quit pushing and go and get my truck painted. I gotta go and get my shit painted. Woo! Man. Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. Woo! What up, man? What up with you, man? Man, call me left and right. Person, chuck it down, chuck it down. Is it green? Yeah, all right. Oh, I gotta find it. Oh, I gotta find this bed cover. Gator, I gotta find this bed cover, y'all. See how this bed cover don't do the whole truck? I want that. I want that, man. I want that. Woo! Oh, these rocks are out of here. Man, these rocks are out of here. Big Delta 88 pulling on through. Man, still got the drums on front and back. Don't know about all that. Ooh, heartbeat of America. Monte Carlo SS. What's up, baby?
Finally made it, man. Nice to meet you.
Man, nice to meet you, man. We're talking for every time.
Yeah,
All the time to finally meet him. Finally met him, man. We talk on the phone, on Snapchat, and everything, man. You finally pulled up.
Yeah, buddy.
Man.
We out here.
Man, I mean, so many people calling me. Person, trucking down, man, at the gas station. Pull up. Yeah. I said, man, it's a green. Yeah, so he come to the car show, man. That's my boy from St. Louis. He coming. Man, that thing clean. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Oh, that thing clean. Golly, I gotta go get. Woo, man, that thing clean, boy.
That's your first time seeing him.
First time seeing it in person, boy.
Some things don't be looking too good in person.
Oh yeah, this thing look better in person. Makes bad. My wife called me. She took a picture. I saw it to her. She took the truck here, the word that. Take pictures of it. I gotta turn around. I don't care. Turn around. Woo, boy, them MKB killing that thing, baby. Yeah, third, baby. Man, that thing clean, my guy. All right, dog. Woo, that rocket clean. Big boy Beard coming through. Big boy Beard. What time we go through? They do this through here, right? They hear vinyl crazy here, boy. He is vinyl crazy. He got vinyl everywhere. Man, up on the hood, he got a more rhino up on the hood though. That rocket clean, boy. What that time we go through? Okay. Oh shit! This nigga spraying, baby. spraying. Oh shit! That nigga spraying, baby. Y'all see, man, I'm taking the car show like this, baby. Okay, we're at there. Ain't very mine out here. Oh man, I want me a photo color so goddamn bad, boy. Ooh, that nigga, them running, boy. That big boy, that running, y'all. Ooh, that rocker, that running, man. I think it's a 6-0.
So?
I think so. I like that bed cover, man. I want that bed cover so bad. His bed cover, it don't hang over. It go inside of it, man. When you look at it, man, I want them so bad. They say he bought off Facebook Market, bought off somebody.
Oh, shit, he got it from the loading.
I can't find them up and over. I want one of them so bad. I run about.
Running with like 300?
Man. He paid like $50 for it. Somebody told me.
He got it for the load.
Man, the MKV sitting hard on that thing, boy. God, come on this way, man. Woo, hey. Yeah, my nigga from St. Louis. I finally meet this nigga.
Like the lights in the front.
Man, that thing clean. Ooh, come on through it, man. Yeah, just ride through. Boy, this motherfucker. Man, this motherfucker clean the bitch. God damn. Boy, that nigga shit clean, boy. They gonna go to bed like 12 tag. That's how your bed is?
Yeah.
It ain't hanging over. That's all I want mine. I don't want to hang over. Look at little Charles. Yeah, he been up. Big tall ass nigga.
Look at my boy walking up.
Charles, baby, everywhere, baby. So Mr. Man of Security here, baby.
Right.
The best security man around this world, baby. The best security man, cameraman, TV man around the world, baby. Yes, sir, you too. Look, I'm both. Hello, boy.